What is the timeline when selling my home? What should I expect? What is the timeline when selling my home? What should I expect? After working with hundreds of sellers here in the Greenville, Spartanburg area of South Carolina, these are questions we get asked often. Hi, I'm Tami Allen, your real estate expert here with eXp Realty. I'm also a certified seller specialist and a pricing strategy advisor. First, we need to discuss getting your home ready to sell. It will do you a disservice just to slap the home on the market prior to having it in show-ready condition. This video will give you an idea of a few things that you may need to do and think about prior to actually exposing your home to the masses. When you decide to list with us, we will give you top-notch service, honesty, and a commitment to present your home in the best way possible to maximize your return on investment. We work together to make this happen. When we meet, we'll sign a listing agreement and give you property disclosures to complete and sign. Once signed, we will give you recommendations on what exactly you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home to get maximum return on the investment. Don't worry, there's no additional cost for this service, but it's essential because research shows the importance of staging and prepping a home in relation to the amount of money that you will get, as well as how quickly it will sell. We also offer free partial staging of your home and current furniture if desired. It costs you nothing. And sometimes we may recommend a professional stager as well and the costs associated with that. During this time, we will also talk about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going into the multiple listing service. When the home is in show-ready condition, we will schedule our professional photographer to photograph, measure the home, and possibly video the home to capitalize on all of its unique features. This is a free service as well. We will also do promo videos for online marketing and our strategic digital marketing plan. Once we have the pictures and the floor plan, we will then work on all the back-end digital marketing so we can optimally market your home to the public. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money for your home. We don't just put a sign up in the yard and throw it on MLS. It's much more detailed and strategic than that. We have a comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize that is like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms and search engines so that we properly expose your home to the masses. Don't forget, we're on all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, Homes.com, you name it, we're there. And we've enhanced these sites to get optimum performance. Now that we're live, you can expect agents to schedule showings to take their clients through your home. The buyer's agent will accompany them, so don't worry about that. Depending on the time of year and the market conditions, that will determine how long it will take for your home to sell. Again, I'm Tami Allen, your real estate and marketing expert with eXp Realty, and my marketing and listing strategies will move you.